When a wildfire blazes, the firefighting helicopters swoop in. These airborne marvels are equipped with water or retardant, which they drop onto the flames to suppress them. Their agility allows them to access hard-to-reach areas, making them invaluable in firefighting operations. They also perform crucial rescue missions, airlifting people to safety. Firefighting helicopters, the heroes of the sky, make the difference between containment and catastrophe. So next time you see one, remember their vital role in keeping our world safe.